In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the visibility of your posts on LinkedIn, even though the platform doesn't have a straightforward hide post feature. Instead, LinkedIn gives you the flexibility to adjust who sees your posts through user-friendly visibility settings or by blocking certain individuals. This way, you can maintain privacy and control over your content. Whether you want to ensure that only your connections see your posts or need to block someone entirely, I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's start with managing the visibility of your posts as you create them. When you're composing a new post, you'll notice an option to choose who can view it. This choice ranges from allowing everyone to see it, restricting it to just your connections, or tailoring it to specific groups. By selecting the right audience, you can effectively control who gets to engage with your content. This feature is particularly useful if you want to share something solely with professional contacts without broadcasting it to the entire LinkedIn community. Now, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you want to prevent a specific person from viewing your posts and other activities on LinkedIn, blocking them is your go-to solution. The process is straightforward. First, navigate to the profile of the person you wish to block. You'll find a More option at the top of their profile. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Block from this menu and confirm your choice. Once blocked, the individual will no longer see your profile or any content you share, providing you with immediate peace of mind. In the event that you want to lift the block on someone, there's a simple route for that too. Head over to your account settings where you'll find a list of all the profiles you've blocked. Just locate the person's name and remove them from that list, thereby restoring visibility for that individual. This gives you the flexibility to easily manage your blocking preferences as your professional circumstances change. By leveraging these visibility controls and blocking features, you can meticulously control who can see your LinkedIn posts and interactions. It empowers you to tailor your professional presence according to your unique needs and circumstances. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate LinkedIn with greater confidence and ease. Stay connected and feel free to explore more of our tutorials to enhance your LinkedIn experience.